what the fuck is going on right now. I'm about to drown. Oh, fuck. I almost just drowned right there, dog. What the fuck?
I was drowned.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Oh, my
I
God.
was drowned. Oh, I'm crying. Oh.
Pineapples.
Carrot cake. Oh, I got tears coming out of my eyes. I can't stop. Oh, what's wrong? Oh.
What happened to my car? Is that an outside door inside? I feel like that door is just looking at me.
Hey, bro, can you roll the window down? What the fuck is going on with this wall, bro? This shit is crazy. It's like a black hole and shit. Whoa. That shit was freaky, dude.
Really, dude?
Holy shit, bro. Wow.
Check out those glowfish, though.
The fuck? That shit was creepy, dude.
That one's just gangster. The yellow one.
He's just chilling, bro. Check him out. Follow him.
Hey, you know what? I've had this phone for like a year, and I had this plastic cover that was over my like camera lens, and I was wondering why my shit was always so blurry.
You just figured it out?
Yeah, now it's clear as day. Look at it.
I can't see right now.
Cool. Well, nigga, I can't fucking go too far.
We ain't stretch Armstrong.
Well, point at the fish tank, dumbass. It's dark out.
He says dark out. Shit. Ooh. That's cool, dude. Check it out. Fuck out of here, you fucking retard.
Capone, man, go lay down with your big dumb ass. Dude, you're retarded as fuck. Just lay down.